early morning for Karjat. We are going Karjat. We were supposed to leave at 6 o'clock, but bro, it's me. So it's 8 o'clock and we are in BCMC. I'm going to shoot what's happening on the way because it's only him and me. And we won't have a content kind of a thing. A content talking or anything contenty. So I'm going to show you if I come across anything. And guys, check out, this vlog is coming from my new phone, a Pinkeshwari. Also some people call it iPhone 15 or something, but I call it Pinkeshwari. So I'll keep you posted as and how my trip goes. So guys, on the way हम लोग यहाँ गए थे रोहित वड़ा वाला गाय. Oh my god, why is it so blurred? हाँ, रोहित वड़ा वाला गाय. It's so gorgeously hot outside. I had pav bhaji and what's on my hair? And he had some misal and some upma. And I have no makeup क्योंकि मुझे लगा सुबह सुबह makeup कौन करता है boss? It's a road trip, just go like that. So I'm looking very thakela because it's very hot outside. So guys, we have reached Shrine of Our Lady of Fatima finally, and this was the reason why we came to Karjat all the way. And let's see. Came to Karjat for the shrine. तो सीन क्या था, मम्मी ने मुझे बोला था, मम्मी ने नहीं, मुझे काफ़ी लोगों ने भी बोला था कि करजत में it's a very miracle church. Okay, so we were like, yeah, we should go. और कभी वो प्लान ही नहीं हो रहा था और अचानक से this week I told Alex कि you know what, let's go Karjat, you know. And he was like, yeah, okay, done. And Alex is not somebody who gets ready at the first go. He needs a lot of planning, वगैरह. Right, Alex?
Yeah, right.
Like he needs facts and stuff like that. And
Absolutely.
he just agreed
In
to
50
it.
meters, turn right.
So we left,
Continue for
and
7
last night I was
kilometers.
not sleepy, and I had a few reasons coming here. So in my head I just went like, मैं हिंदी में व्लॉग करने वाली थी पर ठीक है. हाँ, तो मैंने दिमाग में सोचा कि ब्रो, अगर मैं वो चर्च में गई, ठीक है, मैं इतने दूर से गई, वो चर्च में गई, एंड कोई भी मुझे अप्रोच करता है वो चर्च में खुद से, ओके, खुद से
किसी भी चीज़ के लिए, लाइक रैंडम चीज़ के लिए अप्रोच करता है, तो मैं मान जाऊंगी कि I met who I was supposed to meet in that form. ठीक है, I met Mother Mary, या वो she just blessed me. ऐसे मैंने thought process किया कल रात को और मैं सो गई, and I forgot about it, completely forgot about it, because सुबह उठो इतना हसल वसल, सुबह my sleep was not over, that I was kirkir. I came here and we entered the church. There was nobody. There was a catechism class going and there were two men just sitting on the chair doing their whatever. और Sunday mass खत्म हो गया तो सब अपने घर जा चुके थे. So out of nowhere, when I'm saying this, trust me, out of nowhere a lady walks from the gate. Okay, beautiful lady, सुंदर auntie, ठीक है. She comes to me and she calls, hey, excuse me, can you come here? And वो केक देती है और वो चली जाती है ब्रो, आउट ऑफ नोवेयर, चर्च के बाहर से कोई आंटी आती. दिस इज इट्स साउंडिंग वेरी कैजुअल, शायद तुम लोगों को बहुत कॉमन लगता होगा कि आंटी है तो क्या, नहीं ब्रो, इट वाज समथिंग क्रेजी कि वो चर्च के बाहर से आई, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया, उन्होंने एलेक्स को बुलाया, उन्होंने हमें केक दिया और वो चली गई। आई गॉट सम क्रेजी गूज़बम्प्स। फिर हमने प्रे किया, हम थोड़ी देर चर्च में बैठे एंड I'll put a clip, okay, of the church after this, so you can take virtual blessings. और अगर वो तुम्हारे लिए काम कर गया तो तुम यहाँ पर आ जाओ। And now we are going to our next destination. अब इधर आए तो कुछ देख कर जाएंगे ऐसा सोचा, because we are going to some Khandwa caves. I don't know. Let's see how it is. Yeah. But I had a crazy experience. It's in my head. We were so zoned out तभी कि हमने फोटोज ही नहीं निकाला, क्लिक ही नहीं हुआ। So फिर अभी मैंने वीडियो में डाला। तो मैंने वीडियोस निकाले थोड़े बहुत, थोड़े एंगल वैंगल का सीन होगा, पर आप देखो and you need to watch it.
ये का रास्ता शूट करना चाहिए था
Guys, गाड़ी चला। So guys, we are going back to a different location now. We went to that caves. This place is beautiful, but in the rainy season, we are in the wrong season. This is summer. Summer में मत आओ इधर, गर्मी से तप जाओगे, मर जाओगे, जल जाओगे, बस में पीड़ित हो जाओगे। Rainy season, this place is beautiful. You have so many waterfalls. Like हम कैसे बोल रहे हैं, हम लोग अंदाज से बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि when we are like going on that route, जो mountains है वो क्या वो waterfalls जैसे गिर के ना वो शेप है waterfalls का। So हमने assume कर लिया कि ये जगह रेनी सीजन में बहुत beautifully, fantastically, fantabulous है, and you all should visit here. There's some Kondwana caves कुछ करके है, you all should come here and you all should see, क्योंकि हमारा हो गया ये जगह के साथ डन, ये जगह के साथ नहीं बट ये प्लेस के साथ। We'll come back to the church obviously, but I just feel ये लड़के के नसीब में caves नाम का चीज है ही नहीं। He is just one unlucky dog for caves. We went to Lonavala. There are some caves. Okay.
Can we see network? Is road?
No, we don't have network. वहाँ पर हम लोग उधर गए। Wait guys. हम लोग लोनावला गए थे। Like we went Lonavala. So we went Lonavala. उधर हम लोग we went till the घाट, till the Lonavala, and boom, caves बंद हो गए, visiting hours खत्म, वापस आ गए। नेक्स्ट टाइम हम चले गए, नेक्स्ट टाइम इट वाज पैक्ड, हम ऊपर ही नहीं जा पाए। अभी ये थर्ड केव है और यहाँ पर क्या, इट्स फंक्शनल ओनली इन रेनी सीजन। एलेक्स यू सेड करजत का वड़ा पाव वी हैव टू ईट,
This is not Karjat.
बट दिस इज करजत नो।
Karjat का वड़ा पाव near the station.
लेट्स फाइंड द स्टेशन एट लीस्ट।
ठीक है चलो।
If nothing, we can have Karjat ka vada pav and I can give you a food review. I'll see you soon guys once I find the station. Hey guys, so finally I am back. So scene क्या हुआ हमारे साथ, मैं मतलब इतना धूप है, पागल हो जाओगे। You don't even find one shady place, and me being me, the typical passenger princess, I fell sick. तो obviously अब मैंने फिल्टर डाला है क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही बकवास दिख रही हूँ, और लेकिन विदाउट फिल्टर एंड आई डोंट हैव एनर्जी मेकअप करने के लिए। मुझे नौशिया हो गया, मुझे मोशन सिकनेस हो गया, और एक छाव पर्सन नहीं था उधर, 1% छाव नहीं था। सो और सीन ये था कि हम निकले रोड से और
हमको एक घाट लग गया था एंड I cannot get off the ghat because I was feeling dead ass sick. And if we stopped the car and I had to get out, there was like such bad temperature that I got a sunstroke. We tried having apple juice, but we had to throw it up because sunstroke and temperature and all of that was happening. तो फिर हमने क्या किया, तो फिर एलेक्स ने अपना ब्रेन यूज़ किया और फिर हम गए हाईवे की तरफ. हमने किया रॉन्ग साइड से डाला हाईवे में. नहीं, क्या होता है वो, क्या होता है वो, एक्सप्रेस हाईवे पे. और वो तो गलत रास्ता था. तो फिर हमने कुछ जुगाड़ किया और वहाँ से हम निकल गए. एंड Alex took the car to the food court thing and हमने थोड़ा refreshers लिया वहाँ से. We took this yum, I don't know if it's yum, मतलब कुछ लोगों को बकवास लगेगा, ये बहुत बकवास लगेगा, बट मेरा पर्सनल सजेशन है, गो टू स्टारबक्स, ठीक है, और उनको बोलो रिफ्रेशर्स, क्या बोलते हैं, रिफ्रेशर्स चाहिए, रिफ्रेशर्स चाहिए, ठीक है. ओह माय गॉड, ऑरेंज संतरा ऑन द हाईवे. उनको बोलो रिफ्रेशर्स चाहिए. सो वो तुमको लाइक 3 या 4 ऑप्शन देंगे. उनका समर कलेक्शन है. One is mango, one is dragon fruit, one is strawberry, or one I don't remember. So take the strawberry one, okay? और उनको बोलो कि उसमें जो sweet substance है वो बहुत कम डालना, because you're feeling nausea and you're feeling motion sickness. उनको बता दो and they make the best stuff out of that strawberry thing. Like I can't show you, but there are like only 2-3 strawberry pieces, but it's like amazing. But कुछ लोगों को नहीं पसंद आएगा. But if you're having motion sickness, this is the best solution. वो तुमको ऐसे एकदम जगा देगा हर चीज से. Okay? Like I liked it, but Alex didn't like it. So अभी हमने वो वापस कुछ तो जुगाड़ किया रास्ते का. I'm bad with roads. I was always bad with roads. और हम अभी जा रहे हैं पुणे. I'm done with Garjat. Like I'm not done with Garjat, but and I took few more stuff. जिसका I want to do a haul, like a highway haul kind of a thing. But मैं अभी नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि ये snap में 2 मिनट के clips बनाना पड़ता है. It's like very boring and I have to set the camera and I didn't get the tripod, so I'll show it घर जाके. Bye.
We took a stop at this amazing hotel then and we had some amazing food and then we were back on our journey.
So guys, we are back. We finished the trip. I've put a bit of filter because we're tired and exhausted, but he's here for moral support. So I'm going to show you what we got from my mini trip because I always wanted to make a haul video. So I'll start with some basics. So we got some real cool stuff. So there was this NGO that we got on the way, and from there the lady was like selling, for a good cause. So we got like this. So this is like for the lasoon thing. This is vada pav, and this is a very cool thing. This is kadi patta ka chutney. Yeah, and so we bought this, and this money goes to the kids and all because charity. And this is the main part now. So I'd seen this long time back, so Alex got me this. This is the Starbucks mug that you get, like if you go to the Starbucks. You have the Manish Malhotra edition going on.
Limited edition, guys.
Limited edition going on. So we got this. The packaging is beautiful. So it's like the golden wrap. And then you have
and make a decision. And then comes the cool part. Ta-da! I know I'm not a coffee person, but this is so cool. This is so cool, so cool. It's very basic. Very basic. But this looks nice.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. I'm not a coffee person, but it's good to have something of Manish Malhotra. Yeah, because
So that I thought instead of buying a Manish Malhotra outfit, I would just surprise it with a Manish Malhotra.
why is he whispering? The next we are waiting for is the Sabyasachi, maybe. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. If you're still watching, do like, share, subscribe. We have more content coming in because there are too many things coming up in future. So stay
Main
tuned.
things coming up.
Bye. See ya.